Hey Chrissy, it's Ashley. I was just giving you my feedback for your mid-unit and end of the unit surveys via screencast. I know I did it in writing, but this is my screencast for it. Um, for your mid-unit, each check-in, I like how you have the activities quantified. It's easy to see how many times they've seen it, um, and I'm sure you have access to that also, but they can kind of rate themselves, or were they engaged, were they not engaged, were they somewhere in the middle. I also like how you have it with the level 1, 2, and 3, and so they can choose how they're actually doing it, so it kind of gives you more of an idea. And I also like how they kind of get some input, so some students might not like asking in person and they would rather type it to you. So I like how you have both of those different options where students can provide their own feedback to you. As for your end of the unit survey, I really like how you do have examples embedded into each expectation, or each question, I guess it's called, where they rate, because sometimes I take surveys as an adult and I'm like, what the heck does that mean? So I think that this will be very helpful for them. And then your rating scale, I think that's great. 7th grade, they should be able to understand that. Um, and overall, I think that your surveys look awesome. They're simple, they're easy to read, easy to understand. And I like how you have added this, or you had it before, but I also like how you have this self-reflection. That's good for the students, and they can also help you for future classes, or also rate themselves and how they've been doing. So keep up the good work. Thank you.